Hey guys, in this video I'll be having a look at the DSi Sound application. So when you get to the main screen, the DSi Sound application looks a bit like a parrot or a cockatiel or whatever bird you want. When you tap it, you'll come to the main screen. The top will have wave, so when you speak it picks it up live and shows you your waveform in your voice. And of course your little parrot repeats anything you say in a high pitch form for the amusement of people. And the annoyance. Shut up. Shh. Anyway, the two choices you've got: record and edit sounds, or play with your music on your SD card. You also have a settings app down here, which I'll tap on now, and you can see it's got headphone settings, backlit settings, and you can just delete everything in the app. We'll start off by going to record and edit sounds. Here we have all the sounds.
Nintendo 64.
Okay, I'll just play that again, but watch the top as well. It gives you a live waveform.
Nintendo 60. Nintendo 64.
And that's enough of that. If you tap it, it brings you into the editor, which then the sound clips go to the top of the screen. On the bottom of the screen you have all the stuff needed to edit, play your clip. So if we go, I've picked this clip in particular because if you've seen the YouTube video with the boy getting an N64 for his Christmas present, you can do stuff like this with it.
Nintendo 64.
And change pitch and speed. So up and down changes the pitch, left and right changes the speed. So we can have it high and fast,
Nintendo 64.
high and low, no, fast and low, low and slow, or low and high.
Nintendo 60.
Fast and high, slow and high. Jesus Christ. Okay. Next, we go back and you've got preset sounds as well. So if we put a budgie on, robot, helium, and if you ever put your face next to a fan, you know what it sounds like, so we can have that effect on there as well. There's also stuff like tunnel, which gives it lots of echo, and transceiver, which makes it fuzzy, and then you can have harmonies. And you can make your voice like a trumpet, whistle, or a buzzer. Exciting stuff. If you leave the DS on the home screen, on this screen, which is the sound editor screen, something good happens, which I'll cut to in the movie, but I'll wait for it to happen. It's just little features like this that I think make the DS what it's worth. You know, you pay all that money, and what do you get? You get a sound app, and you get a shopping app, and you get a web browser, and great. But stuff like this, it's taken that voice clip I selected, you can hear it say Nintendo, Nintendo, Nin, 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 Nin. And it's turned it into the Mario theme tune. Tell me that isn't impressive or amusing at all. And that's enough of that. Now we go on to the second choice, which was to play with your music on your SD card. When you tap that, you get this menu here, which brings up your SD card and all the songs you've got on it. So I've got a bit of Miley Cyrus, which I think I'll play. So I'll go for the old 7 Things. When you tap it then, you get this on the bottom screen, which is the editor, and on the top screen you get visualizers. So you can select the visualizer by pulling this cord, and then it changes the visualizer. So many to choose from, they look amazing. This one's quite cool. But in particular, I like the Mario one, because the Cloud Dude makes coins appear across the screen in time with the song and pitch, and like a visualizer. And then you can also choose from sounds here, which you would like. You can use the left and right bumper. So you got like drums. Can't hear that very well, but this there. But in particular for this visualizer, I like to play with an actual coin and Mario jump sound. And when you actually use these sounds with this visualizer on, it jumps. And you can actually collect coins, and there's like a coin indication in the top left corner. So you can play Mario along to your song. I think that's impressive. As well as being able to play the music standard, you've got the pitch editor. Grunge Miley. You also got different sorts of presets. So you've got make it sound like a radio, make it echo, make it sound like an 8-bit game, and make the vocals cancel out. So the vocals are now gone, which what that does is basically just cancels out the side of the speaker that the vocals are coming out of. I think it's the right side the vocals normally come out of, so it just mutes that. Let's try the other effects just to show you. I'm not sure why you'd want to listen to that. Radio is quite cool. Basically condenses it and makes it sound a bit tunnely, but like a radio. And then echo just echo's quite cool as well. Oh yeah, and you can also put your saved voice clips over the top of the song. Just play with your music basically. That's all from the music app, the DSi Sound application. Hope you enjoyed. I'll have a DSi camera video up soon as well, probably sometime this week. Thanks for watching. Shut up. Shut up. Goodbye.